guys, in today's video I'm going to tint my brows, and I'm going to use this that I ordered off of Amazon. It cost about $14. I'm not sure how to pronounce it, but it is spelled Godefroy, and I have the shade dark brown. I've never used this before. This is my first time, so I'm just going to test it out to see how it works. So you get 3 applications. And it comes with this applicator stick, but I don't plan on using this stick. I'm just going to use this eyebrow brush. It's clean. I used to use this when I did have the henna tinting, and this is the Anastasia Beverly Hills 7B brush. So I'm going to take number 1 and number 2, and I am going to place them on the dot for number 1 and number 2, and I will not mix the two. That's what it looks like. I definitely don't think you need this much for 2 brows. Seems like a waste, but. So first I'm going to do one on one brow only. And I'm just acting like I am applying eyebrow makeup. Okay, I'm gonna let that sit for 2 minutes. It's been 2 minutes, and it also says to go ahead and dry after 2 minutes. And then to clean your applicator stick, and then apply number 2 on for 1 minute. It says to leave that on for 1 minute, but I'm going to do 30 seconds and then wipe off the front so it's not as harsh, and then wipe the rest off. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. Okay, it's been 30 seconds. I'm gonna wipe this off with a damp cloth. And this is my tinted brow. Doesn't look that bad to me, so I'm gonna go ahead and do the other brow. Well, these are my results. it definitely worked. I did not wax my brows before doing this. Maybe that would help give it a more cleaner look, but I'm definitely impressed. It does work. It says 4 weeks of rich, vibrant color. So I'll update the description box below, let you know if it really lasted 4 weeks or not. My skin does get oily in my eyebrow area, so I'm not sure if that'll ruin, or I'm not sure if that'll affect how long it'll last, most likely. So we'll see. But yeah, I think it's a good buy. $13 for 3 applications of tinting your brows at home, because I think if you go somewhere to get them tinted, it could be about $20, $25 to get your eyebrows tinted for one time. And with $13, you can get your brows tinted 3 times. So yeah, I would say definitely get this from Amazon. I think it's a good buy. Thank you for watching this video. Please don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Bye.